Customizing your Winamp player and have a DFX skin file to install? These are skin files for the legendary media player. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to apply these Winamp skin files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the DFX archive, even if it can't fully extract it. A DFX file is a skin used by the Winamp media player version 5.5 and later to customize its graphical user interface. Users download and apply these files to change the look and feel of the player, from buttons to color schemes. It's a common file for users personalizing their desktop experience. The DFX file is essentially a compressed archive, zip format, containing XML files, images, PNG, BMP, and scripts that define the layout and appearance of the Winamp interface. This modular, package-based design allowed for easy creation and distribution of complex skins by third-party artists and developers. Typically, DFX files can be opened with Winamp created by Radionomy. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can reveal the raw parameters, but adjusting them safely requires knowledge of their purpose. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your DFX file and click Open With. If Winamp is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If you cannot access the DFX file, no problem. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your DFX problem. First, installing in Winamp. Double-click the DFX file with Winamp installed to automatically install the skin. Alternatively, open Winamp Preferences, then Skins to manage installed skins, and apply the new one. The interface immediately updates with the new skin's visual style, transforming your media player's appearance. Next, manual installation. Place DFX files in the Winamp Skins folder, typically located at %app databases Winamp Skins on Windows. Restart Winamp or refresh the skin list in Preferences. Manual installation provides more control over skin organization and is useful when handling multiple skins or troubleshooting auto-install issues. Finally, using modern Winamp. Install the latest Winamp from winamp.com, which continues legacy skin support. Modern Winamp versions maintain compatibility with classic skins, ensuring your DFX files remain usable. The Winamp community continues creating new skins, extending the application's customization legacy decades after its original release. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.